We'll start our birthday list with Wyatt Wise. What a gorgeous looking picture right there. And looks like he's a club member because I see that lawnmower in the background right there. Wyatt, a big happy second birthday with you with special love from Nana and Papa.
All right. And we've got Reese Horton turning 14 years old this year. And Carthage, happy birthday from Grandma and Grandpa.
Malachi Van, celebrating his 18th birthday. Malachi, little Fort Scott Tiger pride right there. Have a great day, my man.
In Columbus, Ryan Clark celebrates birthday number 26 today. Hope it's a great one, Ryan.
And up in Nevada, TJ Pike. That's a Sunday relaxation, watching some Chiefs play right there. TJ celebrates in Nevada.
All right. In Columbus, we got a double birthday celebration.
Aww.
First off there, we got Dad, Eric Coons, turning 33 years old. And if it's Eric's birthday, that means...
Who's he holding then?
Little guy, Jack, is now 1 year old. Aw,
awesome
that's Eric's son.
Is that?
That's sweet.
Jack's not spoiled or anything, is he?
Nope.
That's tremendous. AJ Reno, a 38th birthday. A happy birthday to AJ in Humboldt.
In Fredonia, Thad McQueen turning 42 years old today. Love it. Celebrating with the 2021 hat there. Happy birthday, Thad.
I like that hat. Stan Grigsby, he is 75. Happy birthday to Mr. Grigsby in Iola.
Joanne Birdsong celebrating birthday number 85 this year in Girard.
And Grace Cass. Miss Cass is celebrating her 99th birthday. Grace, from all of us here at KOAM, a very happy birthday in Parsons.
All right. Marcia Mathis is celebrating a birthday in Columbus this year. Happy birthday to Marcia.
Now, Randy Hobart, smart dude right here. Okay, that's his wife, Alicia. So, Alicia, number one, a very happy birthday, and this comes with love from Randy and Ava. But let me tell you a little bit more about Randy Hobart, because he's like, okay, it's Alicia's birthday. That means I got something else on my calendar. It would also be their 21st anniversary. So Alicia, number one, a very happy birthday. And number two, congratulations to both you and Randy on 2+ decades.
All right. And a happy anniversary wish going out to the Huffmans, who've now been married for 68 years. That's so wonderful. Melvin and Prudence Huffman, happy anniversary.
Congratulations, Melvin and Prudence. Do you want to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I wish I had a picture to show you, because this lady, very dear to my heart. Very dear to my heart. Miss Chucky Hessong from Frontenac, happy birthday.
Chucky, you know we love you. We know we love you, and a very happy birthday. And we will get to the bottom of this whole Chucky picture gate, as I'm now calling it.
The Chucky picture.
I see how it is. Jalen Van Soesten, a very happy birthday to Jalen in Columbus. And Tammy Whitaker, as Tammy celebrates her 60th birthday in Joplin. Tammy, please know, special love from Mom, Dad, and the family. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.